How to use two different WhatsApp accounts in one iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you how you can add two different accounts, or how you can use two different accounts on WhatsApp in iPhone. Now, the process itself is simple. Now, as you know, unlike Android where you'll be able to sign into multiple accounts, you won't be able to do so on iPhone. Now the feature has already rolled in for a couple of months on Android device, while as it is still not yet available for iPhone or iOS device. However, there is an alternate way around it. What you can do is you can simply go ahead and download WhatsApp Business. So you'll have two different versions of WhatsApp, right? That is WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp Messenger. You can log into your account on WhatsApp Messenger and you can log into another account on your WhatsApp Business. You'll get the WhatsApp Business on your App Store easily. So you can get it and you can log into your account like you do on a WhatsApp and you are good to go. So this is how you can use two WhatsApp in one iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.